What's up, guys? Welcome back. This video is going to be real quick. We're going to be showing you how to reset the oil or maintenance light on a 2008 all the way up 2014, I believe, Honda Accord. Now this works for many Honda models. First thing you need to do is grab your key and put it to the on position, not the first one but the second one before you start your car. All right, now we go to the oil life. We press and hold this for about 5 seconds until it starts to blink. All right, let's see. There we go. Now we got to keep pressing and holding it until it resets. If not, let it go. Press and hold it again, and it should go down to 0 or 100%. There we go. Just like that, guys. That is how you reset your oil light or maintenance required light on any Honda vehicle. Thank you for watching.